Good morning. It's Wednesday, August 6th. And, well, let me bring you up to date. First of all, these two guys are waiting for parts, most of which came in yesterday. So I have enough parts for Fred, the green bike, which we have rechristened Beast. And I still need one more part for the black bike, which is named Beauty. Kevin named the green one Beast, so we are now referring to Beauty and the Beast rather than Beauty and Fred. We'll see if it sticks. My bike is complete and running, and my little Triumph is complete and running as of yesterday. So I'm going to take the Triumph down and put him back in the corner and put a cover over him, and then hopefully sometime in the next short while take both of these bikes for a test ride around the neighborhood before listing them for sale. In the meantime, back at the ranch, I got all these parts in for Beauty and the Beast, and everything's wonderful except I have a confusion factor going on. This is the little. Let me put him down and zoom in on him, okay? This is the seal that goes on the oil pump, and between the oil pump and the timing cover, and it's small. And it's black, and you can't hardly make it out. But there, see how it's just sort of like domed? It's not 100% flat. Okay, these are used in all the Commandos up to 1975. So 74 and back, these are used. Now, I specified the part number for the 75 and got this. And that's okay, because I checked with 3 different vendors, and they all substitute the earlier model for the 75 part number. So I found 2 vendors who specifically list the 75 part number, and I've ordered the 75 oil seal. When I get it in, I'm going to lay these side by side, and we'll talk about the differences. Now, I have no doubt in my mind that this 74 and back oil seal will work just fine, thank you very much, in the 1975 Mark III, but I'm not going to use it. Why not? Well, while I probably would use it if the bike was mine, actually for Fred, but we don't have Fred apart, with no real problems, no questions asked. But this is a business, and this oil seal is going into a client bike. And I don't ever want to explain to a client why I used a part other than the part that is specifically listed for his bike, even though it's perfectly compatible, and lots of vendors say it's perfectly compatible, and I believe that it is perfectly compatible. So I've ordered the 1975 part number, oil pump oil seal, for Beauty, and that's going to stop me from putting it back together for a few days. So in the meantime, back at the ranch, I'm going to allocate all these parts to the 2 different bikes, maybe put Fred up on the lift and put him together, because I have all of his parts. But first, my good buddy Roger, I've told you about him before, he's bringing up a Norton that he's trying to sell that's been sitting for a while, and he needs some help getting it started and smoothed out. So he's going to be here this morning. It's a nice yellow Norton, and he's going to sell it. And that's what I'll be doing this morning when Roger gets here. So I will resume this video once Roger gets here, and you can watch us work on the yellow Norton.